pressure this time of year for us, Graveyard Cars. Got a lot of people that are counting on us to get the cars done on time, counting on us to show up down there. Not just put the cars together, but put them together correctly. Something we can be proud of. So sometimes when all the smoke clears and everybody's done chanting your name, it's just you and the car you built.
This is what it means down to the wire at SEMA. We got a loose little radiator hose clamp, and so we're tightening it like 2 seconds before the car loads on the truck. So that looks good, man. Cool car. Chris is gonna be happy. From a Mopar man to another Mopar man. Congratulations, buddy.
Heading down to Las Vegas, Sin City. See everybody down at SEMA, 2017, kicking it old school. Come by, check it out. I've lost 26 pounds since April, by the way. You probably hadn't noticed because the camera adds weight. And I haven't even been sick. So,
Please try to get in.
Diet and exercise, my friends. Diet and exercise.
Did you lock it?
Come on, man. It's really cool that we were able to get the cars done, to have them run and to drive and to look and to be finished, and the crowds around the cars is unbelievable. So it was kind of nerve-wracking, and then the president of the company, Mr. Pietro Gorlier, called me up on stage. And had me talk about the Superbird and the controller and how it went and what we think. He also had to give me a little bit of crap because of my color blindness, why I like green colors, but all very good and all very humbling, even for me.
Well, Brendan, we have a little surprise for you.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
Oh, God.
We really consider you one of the top ambassadors of our brand. So, to show our thanks, this is an award that we are gonna institute this year for the 2017 Mopar Brand Advocate Award. Congratulations.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you. Anywho, obviously it's big. It's probably solid crystal. That's awesome. Oh, I just had something in my eye up there. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff it's a lot of stuff in the air up there. So, point being, you know, they wanted to present me with something that showed their appreciation for my dedication to the brand. And that's what this is about, all right? This doesn't make me smarter than everybody else or funnier. Well, I'm already probably funnier because I'm a natural comedian, but it is what it is, you know? You don't let stuff like that go to your head. Just a guy doing his job. One of the funner parts was when they called me up on stage with some of the other car show guys. My job was to be there and talk about what a superb job I do. I think the name of the bit was Masters of Their Trade or something. So anyway, that's obviously, again, nothing doesn't make me better than them. But they wanted to get my input on what it's like to be a skilled master in Mopars. So yeah, it was fun. Hanging out with Christy Lee, I call her CL. She's pretty cool. She's shorter in person than she is on TV, but she is just as adorable. The opportunity to be able to continue keeping these cars on the roads for the next generations, that's what this has done. That's what the Mopar crate and the controller has allowed us to do. That's right. You know, we have a Facebook page for Graveyard Cars. I was the one that started it way back, I think about 8 or 9 years ago. And I remember getting so excited when I got 100 people. Well, I got excited when I got 10 people. Then I get 100, and then I get 1,000. It's like, oh, where's this gonna end? Well, we're at 3 million now. I swear all 3 million were down there at SEMA. I mean, you could not walk. It was shoulder to shoulder. The camera guys are fighting for their lives just to stay up with us. And It shows that maybe at the end of the day, what I'm doing does affect a lot of people's memories. So for me, yeah, that's the funnest part, is just reliving the memory, forgetting the nuts, the bolts, and all the part numbers that make the cars what they are and all that. How about just the grassroots behind the passion and the love for Mopars? I mean, truly, I think that's what I enjoy the very most about the SEMA show, is sharing that with so many people. One of the cool little displays there was 1970 Barracuda four-door sedan. I don't care about the politics. What I am here to say is that was probably the best looking four-door that would have been on the market back in the day. I liked it, and whether the rest of the world likes it or doesn't like it, it doesn't matter. But to me, that's how I operate. So when I see something like that, I think, well, it kind of reminds me of my modified Dragula with the 340 in it, or my hearse with the 440 and dual fours in it. It's just something that he wanted to express his passion for the hobby with, and I love it. I thought it was cool. It's nice meeting up with Bill Goldberg. I called him a few weeks ago and I asked him if he'd have any time at all. We didn't really have any budget to do anything, but we're just a bunch of car guys that wanted to get together, and he didn't care about the budget. What he cared about was talking Mopars. And it was out of the kindness of his heart. To me, it's like this hobby should be based around the entire picture of people who love the cars. And so for Bill Goldberg, our common thread that bonds us together is the fact that we love Mopars. And that's as genuine and as real as I can put it. Awesome week. Chris Jacobs' GTX came off beautiful, absolutely. I think he had so much fun. That was great stuff. The Superbird, again, you're cramming so much stuff into the last couple of days, you don't even have a chance to catch your breath. In reality, when you talk about all the things that we did in a few days, we did really good. We did good. Like I said, I was going to be there no matter what, but I wanted to make sure that when we did show up there, the cars were functional and I could move them. Did you happen to catch my red carpet?
I don't think I made it in time for your red carpet. I'm sure it was a treat.
It's hundreds of thousands of people out in the audience wanting to see the Superbird pull up. You know, it's a little humbling when you're up on stage and the president of Mopar brings out an award and announces that you're the very first brand ambassador to Mopar. So it doesn't mean I'm any different, right? I still put my pants on one leg at a time, all right? Just happen to have an award that tells me how to do it. You want to hold it?
I mean, sure.
You're never going to have one of your own, so you might as well
Probably
hold mine.
not, no.
Why don't you hold it up here? Now give me my award back, because there's no reason for you to.
I didn't want it, Dad. You made me hold it. Okay, that's great. We're all really impressed. Are we done? We're done. But yep, we're done.
Yeah. Mopar. See the M mark? Warman.